Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Polo Group TV account. To do this, you'll have to first go to your Safari. Once you open your Safari, on the search box below, you'll have to type in apollogroup.tv/portal. This will directly take you to their login portal. If you already have your account, you may just enter your login credentials and then tap on sign in. However, to create your account, you will have to tap on create account. Once you tap on create account, then you will first have to enter your first name, then you'll have to enter your last name, then you'll have to enter your email address. Then you may enter your username that you want to set it to. Then you'll have to enter the phone number. Your country will be automatically set, and then you may enter your state. You may select it from all the given options, and then you'll have to lastly enter how you heard about Apollo Group TV. Now, if you have a promo code, you may enter a promo code. However, if you do not have one, you may skip it. Then you may just tap on the continue button in green and proceed. Next, the website gives you two choices: to get a free trial or pass the free trial, which means skipping it. You may tap on one of the options that you want to follow. And lastly, the website sends you a code to verify your account. They send a code through your WhatsApp, which should be by the number that you have just entered before while filling up the registration form. Then, once you type in the code, which is a 6-digit code, you may tap on verify, which is right beside the code text box. This will simply verify your account and create an Apollo Group TV account for you. This is how you can simply create Apollo Group TV account. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.